Plant FAQs. Aglaonema Favonian. Aglaonema Favonian, your guide to the easygoing beauty. Hi, Ferbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Aglaonema Favonian, a houseplant that's as stunning as it is easy to care for. This beauty, also known as the Chinese evergreen Favonian, is a low-maintenance superstar with captivating variegated foliage. If you're looking for a pop of color in your home and crave a plant that thrives on neglect, the Aglaonema Favonian might be your perfect match. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Aglaonema Favonian special? The Aglaonema Favonian boasts a unique charm. Its lush, oval-shaped leaves feature a captivating interplay of colors. Deep green forms the base, accented by splashes of creamy white, soft pink, and sometimes even a touch of lime. Each leaf has its own unique pattern, making the Favonian a true conversation starter. Beyond its looks, the Favonian is a champion of resilience. It tolerates lower light conditions, making it ideal for areas that don't get a lot of direct sunlight. Plus, it's forgiving when it comes to watering. Forget a watering session or two. No worries, the Favonian will bounce back. How to care for Aglaonema Favonian. Light. While the Favonian can tolerate lower light, it will truly flourish in bright, indirect light. South-facing windows might be a bit too harsh, but an east or north-facing window with some filtered sunshine is perfect. Watering. Here's the beauty. The Favonian prefers its soil to dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering is a bigger threat than underwatering. Stick your finger into the soil about an inch deep. If it feels dry, it's watering time. Soil. Opt for a well-draining potting mix. A mixture specifically designed for indoor plants is ideal. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a monthly dose of diluted liquid fertilizer can give your Favonian a little boost. However, it's not essential for healthy growth. Humidity. The Favonian appreciates moderate humidity, but it can adapt to average household levels. If you notice brown leaf tips, consider grouping your Favonian with other plants or using a pebble tray filled with water to increase humidity around it. Temperature. The Favonian thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15.5 degrees Celsius and 26.6 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or vents. Is the Aglaonema Favonian easy to care for? Absolutely. It's a fantastic choice for beginner plant parents or those with busy schedules. Its low-maintenance nature and forgiving attitude make it a stress-free addition to your home. How big does the Aglaonema Favonian get? The Favonian is a slow grower, typically reaching a mature height of around 1 to 2 feet, 30 to 60 centimeters. Its compact size makes it ideal for apartments or smaller living spaces. Is the Aglaonema Favonian toxic to pets? Unfortunately, yes. The Favonian, like most Aglaonema varieties, contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be irritating if ingested by pets or children. Keep it out of reach for their safety. Both are low-maintenance champions, but the snake plant offers a more architectural look with its upright, sword-shaped leaves. The Favonian provides a pop of color with its variegated foliage. Aglaonema Favonian versus pothose. Pothose is another popular low-light tolerant vine that can trail beautifully. The Favonian offers a more compact, upright form with vibrant foliage. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preferences and the aesthetics you're aiming for. Conclusion. The Aglaonema Favonian, a plant for everyone. The Aglaonema Favonian is a true gem for any plant enthusiast. Its stunning variegated leaves, coupled with its easygoing nature, make it a perfect choice for beginners and seasoned plant parents alike. With a little TLC, your Favonian will thrive and bring a touch of vibrant life to your home. So, why not give this low-maintenance beauty a try?